Engine start checklist.
Okay.
Gear pins.
Removed.
All doors.
Closed.
Passengers, none. Safety belts.
Secure left.
Secure right, thrust levers.
Idle.
Engine run switches.
Run.
Parking brakes.
Set.
Strobe on, aux on, and right side is clear.
Okay, starting right.
Delta 2551, taxi with Yankee.
Delta 2051, over 28 right, taxi via Kilo Victor Alpha.
Kilo Victor Alpha, Delta 2551.
Ground Horizon 263,
Clear left.
Bravo 10.
Horizon 263, Portland ground, taxi parking via Tango.
Parking via Tango, Horizon 2063.
Ground Alaska 1208, we're at Charlie 9, ready to push with Yankee.
Last Coast Ray, Portland ground, wait for an Embraer with last coast to pass behind, then push back approved, expect 28 left.
Alright, wait for the Embraer to pass behind, then clear to push 28 left, Alaska 1208.
כמה דלק בסוף לקחנו?
560 או 90, משהו כזה, הרבה מהווייב.
100.
Portland ground, Skyward 3362, clear, runway 28 left, Bravo 3, taxi to gate Charlie 7.
Coast 3362, Portland ground, taxi via Tango, be a short delay to get to your gate for traffic pushing off the 9.
Roger, Tango, short of the gate for traffic, Skyward 3362.
Ground Horizon 2130, push Charlie 14 with Yankee.
Horizon 2130, Portland ground, hold to the gate, traffic is back in the alley behind you.
Departure,
I will hold Horizon 2130.
אין משהו מיוחד חוץ מ-250 at וואנוס. ו-initial 7000 זה מה שקיבלנו
אבל
מהקלירנס.
אפשר לעשות נב, נכון?
כן, אפשר לעשות כבר נב.
Okay. Before taxi checklist.
Okay, yaw damper is on, anti-ice is checked and off. Wing flaps 10.
I see 10.
Gas lock.
Remote.
Flight controls.
Check.
Flight spoilers.
Check.
Ground spoilers.
Check.
Nose wheel steering.
On.
Belts on, blockout time. יש לנו ו-com 1. And information Yankee.
Okay.
Ground Challenger 150 Mike Bravo at Atlantic Taxi. We have Yankee.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, Portland ground, runway 28 right, taxi via Whiskey Alpha, join Alpha behind the Delta.
28 right via Whiskey Alpha behind the Delta 150 Mike Bravo. Delta
כן.
pulling up on Alpha. And ready to go.
ימין נקי?
Yamin Naki.
אוקיי.
Copy, Chuck. Ground for 2380, taxi Yankee.
2380, runway 28 left, taxi via Tango, Bravo 3, Bravo.
Tango, Bravo 3, Bravo, skirt to 2380.
Grow up already. Okay, whiskey's
Left Whiskey,
small.
ואז right Alpha. Behind
Horizon
the
2130, wait for the Spirit taxi the alley, then push back your discretion, expect runway 28 left.
Push back, 28 left, off to the Spirit. Horizon 2130.
Okay, small naki.
Okay. My brakes?
Your brakes.
Okay, my brakes. Walking, your brakes.
My brakes.
Taxi before takeoff checklist.
Affirmative.
Brakes, nose to the steering.
Check.
Thrust reversers.
Checked.
Flight instrument 3021 3 times. Speed posted 128 on the V2. Takeoff, your damper, LNF is armed. 7,000 and heading 3 times is good. Standby looks good. Your side looks good. Transponders 3563 TRA. Radar terrain is already checked. Fuel quantity 7800. Balance landing 4600. Anti-ice is working and off. Engine instruments on the green 87.6 takeoff. Nav equipment FMS 2, FMS 1. Takeoff data. Runway 28 right. 9,800 feet. We need just under 3,700. 117, 121, 128. Takeoff weight is below the maximum landing weight, so if something happens, we will come back here. Engine bleeds off, flaps 10, trim 5.7, all 3 trims are in the green. Below 80, board for anything, 80 to V1. Engine fire, engine failure, thrust reversal deployment, loss of direction control, uninhibited CAS, or anything you don't want to go fly with. Past that, straight out departure. If we do lose an engine at V1, flight level change at V2, and then we'll climb VT. And raise the flaps down to 1500 and deal with it from
Regional
there.
Jet 500 Papa Romeo, taxi from Atlantic, information Yankee, squawking 66.
Anyway, after takeoff, we can start with flight level change 200. Nav is already going to be green.
Whiskey Alpha 28 right,
And that
500
should be
Papa
good.
Romeo.
Any questions?
No.
Alright, takeoff briefing is done. We are ready to go. Switching tower. And departure is set.
Okay.
Cat 8137, turn left, Alpha 6, join Kilo to the gate, remain this frequency.
Join Kilo to the gate, Alpha 6, and remain this frequency at 8137.
Delta 2551, wind 280 at 7, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff. Number 150, Mike Bravo, Portland Tower, caution wake turbulence, departing Airbus, runway 28 right, line up and wait.
28 right, line up and wait to 150 Mike Bravo. Line up checks.
Line up and wait.
Right, so all on. CAS is box. Lead set for APU. Takeoff, part make leaks. And just the probes. Runway heading is confirmed to 8 right. So
Go 1
cross.
mile runway heading.
No, stop my line up and wait.
Ah.
Runway heading Kavanagh Berliner.
Ah, okay.
The probes waiting.
Delta 2551, contact departure, great day.
Okay. Your controls.
My controls.
Challenger 0, Mike Bravo, wind 290 at 7, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 28 right. 0 Mike Bravo. Okay. Clear for takeoff.
Tower Challenger 772, Juliet Sierra, visual 28 right.
Set.
3 wings 2380,
Cross
Portland
set.
Tower, runway 28 left, line up and wait, flying traffic on the parallel.
28 left, lap on wait for 2380.
18 knots.
Tower 772, Juliet Sierra, Portland Tower, wind 300 at 7, runway 28 right, clear to land.
V1.
Clear to
Rotate.
land, 28 right, to Juliet Sierra.
Portland Tower, Yeti.
Pass the brake.
Gear up.
Town with Lexington North Bank, eastbound.
8696, cross over the control tower at above 1,500, join the North Bank to Trout
So
Bell.
fletch
Fletch
to
Nice, Trout Bell
200.
weather.
And flaps up, please.
Flaps up.
500 going to North Bank, and I have the weather Charlie Yeti 600.
LNAV green.
Yep.
500 Papa Romeo ready to go in sequence 28 right.
500 Papa Romeo, Portland Tower, roger.
Okay, after takeoff checklist.
Okay.
November 0 Mike Bravo, contact departure, great day.
Over to departure, good day, 0 Mike Bravo.
Going 2380, 131.
Portland departure, good afternoon, Challenger November 150 Mike Bravo, out of 2,500, climbing 7,000.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, Portland departure, to contact, climb 15,000.
Climb 15,000, 0 Mike Bravo.
Okay, fletch 250 Vans after takeoff.
Okay. Touch 50. Okay.
3441, amend altitude, maintain 900,000.
Sorry,
with the 10 VX up, maintain 9,000, Skyway 3441.
Flaps up.
Delta 2551, clear direct Chisholm.
Direct Chisholm, Delta 2551, and you
Hydraulics,
above 250, above 10, okay for you?
Anti-ice not
Delta
required.
2551 below, 10,000 is approved as well.
Yes.
Okay, we'll hold off till 10 though, thank you.
Sit zip,
That's
sit
Delta
up.
2551, speed discretion, there's no one in front of you.
Thank you.
0 Mike Bravo, turn left heading 180.
180 on the heading, 0 Mike Bravo.
Or 150 Mike Bravo, you can expect Chisholm.
Roger, expect Chisholm, 0 Mike Bravo.
Okay, heading 180 IC.
For 2380, 14 climbing 7,000.
Okay, you can turn off the APU.
Frank 2380, pulling departure, to contact, climb 15,000.
Confirmed.
15,000 is for 2380.
Delta 2551, contact Seattle Center, 128.15.
2815, have a great day, Delta 2551.
Okay. בוא נראה מה יש לנו עכשיו.
And we can do 10,000 checks.
10,000 pressurization. בסדר. Marking seatbelt sign. Off. APU and blades off and set. 10,000 checks complete.
Okay.
Under 0 Mike Bravo, clear direct Chisholm.
Direct Chisholm, 0 Mike Bravo, thank you.
Chisholm.
Auto.
בסדר.
Okay.
Execute.
Now looking for nav.
Nav.
Under 0 Mike Bravo, contact Seattle Center, 128.15.
12815, good day, 0 Mike Bravo.
Frank 2380, turn left heading.
Seattle Center, good afternoon, Challenger November 150 Mike Bravo, out of 13,200, climbing 15,000.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, Seattle Center, climb and maintain flight level 230.
Climb and maintain 230, 0 Mike Bravo.
Delta
2551,
cleared direct June J.
Direct June J, Delta 2551.
Sir, 6 Delta Charlie, contact Seattle Center 125.8, acknowledge with ident.
Okay, transition checks.
Okay, standard altimeter, standard.
Okay, the autopilot engaged.
Autopilot.
Thank you.
November 306 Delta Charlie, contact Seattle Center
transition altimeter
125.8.
standard.
Standard.
Left, right, landing lights off. Transition checklist complete.
Okay.